2023 Giulia Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio. It's a V6. This is what it sounds like before. What do you guys think? I like it. Needs more. Here's sound decibels. Right at 103 at peak. Alright guys, 2023 Giulia by Alfa Romeo, the V6, top of the line. That's something different. Look at that logo. That's cool. Only forward. I didn't know they had those. That's pretty cool. Anyways, got a really nice look to it too. Check it out, guys. What we got done on it, as you guys can see, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then, flex pipe. There was a resonator there. We took it off. There's a resonator on it. That's what it looked like. Alfa Romeo. Dual in, dual out. Resonator, we cut it off. And replaced it with two beautiful pieces of pipe. And then left everything else that you can't see under all the aerodynamic plastic. But there's a muffler there and valves and all that stuff. I'll show it to you guys inside there. Crazy contraptions in there. Okay, there and there. And he did a valve delete kit on it already, so the valves stay open. And what it does, it comes true dual in and true dual out. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see the difference. You guys heard it before. Now let's hear it after. Oh, wow. That is a big difference. The valves are open, so it's straight pipe, basically. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Do you like it?
I love it.
Perfect. Yes, it sounds so good. Them Italians, I tell you. It's definitely a different tone. It's sick. I like it. We wanted to do a muffler delete on it also, guys, but it didn't work out because that bumper is all one piece, so all of it has to come off in order for us to do a muffler delete. We couldn't do that. But with the valves, it works. Wow, nice car. 23. I like it. Let me know what you guys think of the tone. That's a completely different tone. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Definitely different look than your usual vehicle with that grill is cool, it's different. I like it. 505 horsepower, by the way, guys. So don't underestimate this car. The engine is made by Ferrari. Put in this thing. Damn! Look at that! Wow! You can still hear it. Wow! Beast mode.